start again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I am going to recreate the sticker that came in July's Gelbox, mystery Gelbox. If you remember, I recreated the sticker that came in last month's Gelbox. I'll leave the link to Gelbox below. I've got a 15% off code as well. So in the Gelbox every month you get 4 gels. One of them is a builder gel and 3 colours. So this is the colours that came in this month. We've got Pink Paradise and Electric Glow. They're both neons, super bright neons as well. And we've got this Prosecco Party, which is an ultra fine gold with tiny silver hex in it. Really pretty. And the builder in a bottle this month is called Pink Gin. It's steamed up because I had it in the fridge because it's so hot. And it was alright for about 5 minutes, then it went runny again because it's so hot. So that's the colour of the builder in a bottle. It's a beautiful colour, I love it. So yeah, the sticker that came in this month's box is these. I am going to tweak them slightly because obviously my practice hand doesn't have a thumb. So I'm going to put the thumb on the middle nail and I'm going to take one of the glitter nails away. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. If you want to see the sticker I recreated from last month's mystery box, I'm going to leave it clickable at the end. So these are the tips I'm using: Glitter Planet's Easy Tips, Stiletto Clear, and I'm just gluing them on with regular nail glue. Also guys, if you want to see what else came in this month's box, I will leave in my description box the link to the video and you can go and have a nosy what came in this month's box. And if you do go and check them out, don't forget to use the code, guys. Get yourself 15% off. Right, so let's get on with these nails. So I'm just going to quickly file up the sides just because there was a tiny bit hanging over. And then I like to file it in with what would be the natural nail. And then you need to buff off all the shiny surface. Gel won't stick to a shiny surface. Now this is where I'd normally use my dehydrator, primer, bond. But I skipped that because it's a practice hand. So I'm going to go straight in with the builder gel. So yeah, this was in the fridge, but after literally a minute or two it went really runny again. It's not normally this runny, it's just very hot at the minute. So I'm starting with a really thin slip layer, and now this first coat that I do is just a small bead just to completely fill the nail. Yeah, just to start building the nail. I've had to do it in small layers really because it's so runny. So that first layer is just going to have a 30-second cure, half a cure. And my second bead, again, I'm going to push it right up into that cuticle area and just swipe it and walk it down the nail. Make sure your sides are completely covered. And again, that's going to get a half a cure for 30 seconds. And you'll see me keep holding it upside down as well. That just helps bring the gel back into the middle of the nail where it should be, especially on hot days when it's really runny. So if you feel like it's slipping into the cuticle, just hold it upside down for a second. So this last bead, I more or less want to leave most of this up in that apex area. So yeah, I'll let you watch this for a second. That's going to get a full 60-second cure now. I'll just show you doing one more nail and I'll do the last 2 off camera. Isn't it a beautiful colour, this builder gel? I love it. So that is them all built now. I'm just going to wipe that tacky layer off and give them a quick buff. They didn't need any filing. I've just given them a quick buff just to smooth them out a little bit. And I'm going in now with Madam Glam's matte top coat because I'm going to be painting on these first 3 nails. I'm just going to give them a quick matte top coat and cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So just like the sticker, I'm going to do a slice on this nail and the ring finger. This one's going to be yellow and the ring finger's going to be pink. So I've just got a little bit of the paint on my palette and I'm using a long liner brush. And yeah, just starting the slice from like the tip of your finger and bringing it down into the bottom right corner. And once I'm happy with the line and I've got that nice and straight, I'll just use the brush out the bottle to fill in the bigger area. And then just tidy it up with a smaller detailer brush. I do 2 coats of these colours. I'll do the second coat off camera. So I'll let you watch again and I'll be back in a second. So this is where we're at now. This middle finger is what I'm going to do the smiley faces on. The sticker had the smiley faces on the thumb. I'm going to do them on this middle finger, but I'm going to do them straight over this colour instead of the glitter. I think I just preferred them over this natural colour than the glitter. So yeah, I've kind of switched that nail up a little bit. So initially I'm using my dotting tool just to get the circle as circly as I can. And then I'll use my detailer brush as well. So I'll just show you a couple of each colour. And then I'm curing them for 30 seconds in between each dot circle. So now I've put some gold on my palette and I'm just going to put a stripe. Yeah, a stripe down those slices. So this gel polish has got a really fine gold glitter in it and it's got tiny silver hexes as well. So I do just 3 or 4 of those tiny silver hexes just kind of dotted along that line. Yeah, and I'm going to completely cover the pinky in the gel polish. I do a second coat of this on the pinky in a minute off camera. Yeah, I think it needed a second coat. I'm going to cure all them in the lamp now for 30 seconds. So now I'm just giving them a quick, nice, generous layer of top coat so that I can paint these smiley faces on, and then I'm going to give them a nice buff and get them nice and smooth in a minute. So yeah, I'm just using Madam Glam's black gel paint. Just going to paint the smiley faces on these nails. And mostly the pinky I wanted to give a buff because it was a bit lumpy bumpy. And then there we go, guys, that is them finished. I think they turned out perfect. These boxes also come with a ring as well. So this is the ring that came in this mum's box. I think it's really, really cute. And again, there's a sticker. This box also comes with a little piece of cord where you can practice the nail art tutorial that comes with it. So yeah, every month you get a sticker and a kind of tutorial card how to recreate it. I think it's really cool, something good for beginners to build up the colours and little nail art bits and bobs as well. I really enjoy it. So there's the colours again that it came with. That is it for today, guys. I'll leave the website link and discount codes and everything below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.